Just at Home Bargains in Platt Bridge, hunted down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Right, well, it looks like they've got some very full pegs in this Home Bargains, and at a price of £1.49, that is the best price for Hot Wheels in the UK. I've not noticed that they've actually got £2.30 as a regular retail price over here. I've never seen them at that price in Home Bargains, so yeah, £1.49 is a great price. Anyway, let's get started, guys, and first up, we've got the Roger Dodger, and this is actually from 2026 A-Case, one of the first castings that I've seen from A-Case, and one that I saw live at the stunt show driving around. They actually had one of these things made up, so yeah, even though it doesn't say 2026 on the front of the card, you can actually tell it's number 19 of 250 of the year, and if you check on the back of the card as well, yeah, it will say 2026, so we are officially getting 2026 castings now, guys. I'm not a massive fan of fantasy castings, but I do like the Roger Dodger. I think it looks great, especially in this metallic aqua blue colour. It's great to know Home Bargains are stocking them at that cheap price, so yeah, I'll pop this to one side. What else have we got? Oh, we've got the Instant Boost, which is a brand new casting for 2026, and you can see it's from the Hot Wheels starting grid set. A very cool casting for those coffee lovers out there, because it's just a big coffee cup on wheels, this thing. It does say Brute Race Repeat on the side there, and Bruco Americano. Now, I know a lot of people will be asking, why are we getting 2026 castings in 2025? Well, it's just the way the case is released. You'll start seeing this A case hitting stores in November, and then case B should hit stores in December. But yeah, I didn't grab this last time I saw it, so I think I'll take it now. What else have we got? Oh, okay, it's the Drift Ender from 2026's A-Case, and this can be found as a super treasure hunt. It's the first super treasure hunt of 2026. This one isn't. There's no Spectraflame paint, no rubber wheels, no TH logo on the side there, and no golden stamp on the back of the card. Still, a very cool casting from the Trucking Along set of 2026. And this casting's supposed to be a Land Rover built for drifting. We did see it in the police livery last year, but yeah, this one looks pretty cool, and I bet it looks good in Spectraflame paint. I'll just pop this to one side. Let's keep going. No way, it's the brand new Pass and Go. Well, this is Hot Wheels doing their own version of the Monopoly car piece, and it's a brand new casting for 2026. You can see it says 90 years of Monopoly. It's been 90 years since Monopoly first started making those board games. Wicked casting, and it's from that Drop Top set, which is a set of 5 convertible cars. I guess, yeah, this is a convertible. I've never thought about it like that, to be honest. But I love the fact that it's metal on the top, metal underneath as well. It's just plastic interior. You do have plastic wheels. It's really cool that it's in this like chrome silver. What a casting, and one that I know a lot of collectors are after. So yeah, I'm definitely taking this. Let's keep going. The 20 Jeep Gladiator again, which could be found as a super treasure hunt last year, but it's now in lime green from that Trucking Along set of 2026. I've always liked the fact that it's got 2 dirt bikes on the back of the bed here as well. Very cool casting, but I'm not collecting all the trucks, so pop it up here. Let's keep going. Nice new livery on the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. I've always liked this casting, I think it looks great. From that EV set of 2026. Now there's a lot of cars that are yet to be revealed for 2026, so all my graphics will have loads of question marks all over them because we're waiting for the reveals. But yeah, great looking livery on this one, but I do have the Ford Mustang Mach-E a few times, so I'll leave this here. Let's keep looking. It's a really good mix of 2026 castings and 2025 castings on these pegs here. Oh, nice. It's the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in that new white colorway. Very clean, this one. I always love the fact that Hot Wheels put the Honda badge and the Type R badge on the front of this thing. And it's from that brand new set, Nightspeed, which sounds like it's going to be a great set, to be honest, of 10 cars. I do really like my JDM castings, and I am a big Civic fan. So yeah, I think I might take this color variant. And we've also got the McMurtry Sperling, which is a project electric car. I think it's got like 1,000 brake horsepower. They've actually shown this thing to be driving upside down with that downforce, because it's just absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, very unique shape. I do love this car and the casting itself, and I have it already, so I'll leave that here. Let's keep looking. Ooh, a very nice looking Dodge Charger Daytona in that champagne metallic gold paint and racing decals. I do really like the look of this thing, but the shape of the car just reminds me of the Disney's car Daytona. Is it King? I guess it's such a unique body shape, it just takes me back to that. And yeah, I've never seen one in person, but this thing looks amazing, doesn't it? It's also from that starting grid, and I'm probably going to be collecting that whole set soon, as they seem to be race cars, so I'll definitely be taking this one. Oh, nice. It's the treasure hunt of A-Case, the 87 Buick Regal GNX. You can see it's got the silver flame stamp on the back of the card there. Also, it's got 87, but it does have the flame logo inside of the 8 as well. Really cool colors on this, purple, pink and white. And it's another one from that Nightspeed set, which I'm definitely going to be collecting that full set. Awesome car, and the treasure hunt as well, so yeah, I'm definitely taking this one. Let's keep going. We've got the Honda Motor Compo, and now we're on to the last peg, guys. Let's see if we can get some last peg magic. We've got the Batmobile. We've got a brand new casting for 2026, which is the Bounce and Base. I've not seen anything about this one before, but it looks like it's a bit of a low rider, and yeah, it's from the Lay and Low set of 2026. Does it have any speakers in the back? Yes, it does. And that's not black, that's like a see-through purple plastic with black speakers in it as well. Don't know if you can see that in this lighting, but they use the glass as the base of the speakers in the bed there, so it's purple throughout. Very cool, and in this metallic gold paint as well with the purple detailing. I think it looks fantastic, this. I do love a bit of gold on castings as well from Hot Wheels. I think the golden castings are usually the best ones. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking this one. And speaking of gold, we've got the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in gold with black pinstriping and decals. I think this looks fantastic. One of the best looking castings. It's not new. I think the first one was 2023 and it was in a metallic green. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's just the first one that I've seen, but yeah, I absolutely love this casting and the car as well. This one's from that race day set of 2025. I do have this already, but I do want to take one to open, so I'll be taking this. Right, we've got a couple more here. We've got another Bounce and Base. Very nice. We've got a 2015 Rover Defender double cab. Nice, we've got that Polestar competition winner, the TRX. This was designed by someone in a competition to become a Hot Wheels casting this year. So yeah, it's from 2025, new for 2025, and it's in that Peak Pursuit set as well. I do have this one already. Let's pop it up here. And last but not least, we have another TRX. Right, well, we've been through all the pegs. Let's have a look and see what we found. It's great to finally see some 2026 castings hitting the stores. Is there anything I've left that you guys would have taken? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.